I wanted Mexican food, so that's what I got. This is a slow braised pulled pork chimichanga. This is a polo chicken torta sandwich. I got this from Sal Y Limon. I got all of the hot sauces and stuff down here. And I have some pineapple bubbly. This is the Sal Y Limon Mukbang. Welcome back to End Media.
You are now watching an End Media production.
Alright, super excited about this. Let's fucking make this happen. As you can see, I have these. Super hungry. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh. Look at that. Oh. Yes. Fuck. It's the kind of sandwich you can't just put down. Pineapple bubblies are good. Excuse me. There's lettuce, tomato. There's jalapenos. There's the chicken. The chicken is so tender. So good. I have no idea what this green stuff is. Oh. Yes. That's like a jalapeno sauce or something. I like that. I like that a lot. I like the idea of this sauce. I need to go get a napkin. Oh my goodness. Oh. I gotta get back into my corner now. Oh, so much stuff everywhere because I've been filming so hard. Filming for Scare Month. It's gonna be a good year for Scare Month, I tell you what. More of that sauce, I like it. Another. Oh, yes. This sandwich is exceeding my expectations. Like, by a lot, bro. I was like, oh, it'll be a nice light sandwich. There's nothing light about this. It's perfect. The jalapeno sauce. Listen. Let me get through the rest of this sandwich, but we might be looking at a perfect score here. Mm-hmm. 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 I think what we're looking at here is a straight 16 out of 16 ampersands. Holy shit. Holy shit. I mean, come on. Excuse me. I mean, come on. Chimichanga, it's fried, it's deep fried burrito, of course, but it's not too crispy. How can you beat that sandwich? If anything can beat a sandwich that good, it's gonna be a chimichanga, especially from this place. Excuse me. So this is like chipotle mayo, I'm guessing? It's like a citrusy chipotle mayo. And sour cream. Okay, let me just take a bite of this. Look at how big this thing is. Here we go. It's very hot. Is this sour cream or is it that crema stuff? It's sour cream. Give me so little. I am a big boy. I need lots of sour cream. Okay. Jesus Christ. Oh, fuck. Got that on my nice Teddy Fresh shirt. Oh my god. This is so good. I keep dropping shit. Holy shit. Oh, chipotle meal. Excuse me. Like, come on. You're gonna tell me this is bad food? I'm gonna tell you that's fucking bullshit. This is literally some of the best food I've ever had in my entire life. I'm not even joking. I'll tell you for a fact, I'm not going to be able to finish the chimichanga. And it doesn't get as high as a score as the torta sandwich. And hold on though. It's going to get a 15 out of 69%, the chimichanga. And the sandwich gets 16 out of 16. I'm so fucking full. But if you do ever happen to find yourself in the incredibly small town of Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada, make your way to Sal Y Limon. They have multiple locations, and I'm like sweating. I'm having like a religious experience right now. Like, I should order 2 of those fucking sandwiches, bro. Okay. I'm sweating so much. Like, holy shit. Like, come the fuck on. Okay. Listen. I've had some good food in my days. But this restaurant is magnificent. It's magnificent. Please check them out. This is gonna have to be the end because I'm totally. Oh fuck! I can't do another one. I can't take another bite. I'm like high right now from the food. I'm like high. Like there's so many endorphins busting off my fucking head right now that my whole body's just like I feel like I'm on MDMA. It's like yes. Holy shit. Their food causes drug highs. Listen, I'm not saying they put drugs in their food. That is not what I'm saying, okay? I'm saying their food is so good that it shoots off so many endorphins in your head that it makes you feel like you are on drugs. It's that good. Anyways, thank you. Subscribe. Follow us on TikTok and email us at endmediamail@gmail.com. And until next time, I really, really wish that we'd finally make a goddamn outro, but we could always try something like
End Media Production.